Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to reduce background noise to 0 on Mac Windows 11. Click Start, Settings, click Sound. Click More Sound Settings. Click Recording tab, select Microphone, click Properties. Click Listen tab, check Listen to this device. Click Levels tab, change microphone to maximum. Microphone boost to 0 dB or plus 10 dB. Click Advanced tab, uncheck Allow Applications to take exclusive control of this device. If you want to go previous stage, use Restore Defaults. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.